Morning children, now you go to see biology, zoology. My name is Prema Kumari. I am your new biology nurse. So in 12th standard, the first unit of this zoology is reproduction in organism. So it's the first unit of zoology. In this reproductive in organism there are what type of reproduction is taking place we see in this lesson. So here first we see the modes of reproduction. So modes of reproduction means how the reproduction is taking place. It's taking place in a two method. One is the asexual reproduction. Another one is the sexual reproduction. So what is asexual reproduction means? The single parent producing a young one is called as a asexual reproduction. So what is the sexual reproduction? The two parents, the male and female parent producing a young one, it is called as a sexual reproduction. That means male is called as a sperm and female it is called as a ovum. They are producing a young one in the method of zygote formation. It is called as a sexual reproduction. In this asexual reproduction, it's a simple method of a fission. That means division will be taking place and the single parent will be divided and producing a two daughter identical in one. That is, they are seen like a parent. So it is called as a asexual reproduction. In this asexual reproduction, it is two type of there is two way we are saying, that is called somatogenic and blastogenic. What is the mean by somatogenic and blastogenic? Means uncontrollable division. That means so many division will be taken place and producing a young one. It is called as a somatogenic and blastogenic. So in this asexual reproduction, we are seeing a fission. Fission means simple division. That take place in an organism. It is called fission. In this fission, we see a binary fission. So in a binary fission, there are 5 types of binary fission we are seeing in this lesson. One is a simple binary fission we see in amoeba, and transfer binary fission we see in a paramecium, and longitudinal binary fission we see in a euglena, and obliqual binary fission we see in a serratium, and multiple binary fission we see in a amoeba. So how the division will be taking place in this microorganism, in this organism, unicellular organism, we see in this chapter. So simple binary fission is otherwise called as a simple irregular binary fission. So in the simple irregular binary fission, we see in a unicellular organism, that is the amoeba. Already we know that how the amoeba structure is present. So amoeba is simple unicellular organism. Inside the nucleus is present, outer the contractile vacuole is present, then cytoplasm is present, the pseudopodias are present outside. So why the contractile vacuole is present? This unicellular organism amoeba is water living animal. So in this water living animal, so inside automatically more amount of water is entered. So that start to enlarge the amoeba and start to cut the amoeba, burst the amoeba. So the contractile vacuole is present. It's control the entering more amount of water inside the amoeba. So what is present outside? It is called pseudopodia. This unicellular organism is not having a special mouth or other things, digestive system, all the things. So the pseudopodia is otherwise called the false food. When the microorganism or food items are coming near to the amoeba, it starts like a form like a mouth and engulf the food item. So this is simple structure of the amoeba. Next, how the division is taking place. In the division, all the binary fission we see the two methods of division is taking place. One is karyokinase, another one is cytokinase. Karyokinase means nucleus will be divided. So it is called as a karyokinesis. So next, cytokinesis. The cytoplasm will be divided. It is called cytokinesis. So here, when matured amoeba is start, the asexual reproduction, inside the nucleus, the chromosome will be start to divide in the method of mitosis. So mitotic division is taking place in a amoeba. amoeba. Next we see then how that division is happened. The nuclear membrane will be formed inside the chromosome will start to divide. Here we see the chromosome will be start to divide. So next what happened? That chromosomes will be move the end of the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is also enlarged and the chromosome will be moved out two sides of the membrane. So here what happened? The nucleus will be form a two nuclear that's two, it's divided, karyogenesis finished. After that the cytoplasm start to divide. So in between the amoeba, one small projection will be start to divide and the cytokinesis is also taking place. Amoeba will be divided into two larger identical egg ones. That means young amoeba is formed here. It is called as a simple. Next we see transfer binary fission. So where we see the transfer binary fission, we see in a paramecium. So paramecium, we know the structure of the paramecium. Inside the paramecium, the two nucleus is present. We know only one nucleus is present in the organism, but here two nucleus is present. One is called macronucleus, another one is called as a micronucleus. Here also the karyogenesis start to develop. In mature paramecium is one. So what happened first step? Here two diagram we see the difference between. In this diagram we see the oral. Here the oral groove will be disappear. We started to divide. So macronuclei started to divide in the mitotic division. Micronuclei started to divide in the amitotic division. So here the two diagram we see one different is started. The oral groove will be disappear and the micronuclei and macronuclei start to divide. The micronuclei is divided into amitotic division. Macronuclei started to mitotic division. In this next stage, what happened? The microorganism, that means in this microorganism, the division will be nuclear division will be start. After that, the new oral groove will be formed. After that, new oral groove will be formed. So next stage, so we see it is a transfer binary fission. So automatically the two nucleus will be start to divide and also cytoplasm also start to divide. So in the manner of transfer section. So all the other inside the organelles also formed in the paramecium. So they are divided into form a two identical daughter paramecium in a transfer binary fission method. Next we go to see a longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal fission we see in a euglena. So how we know that euglena is also unicellular organism? We see the structure of euglena. Already we know that. So inside it's a single flagellate animal. So inside the nucleus, chromosomes are also present. So here mature euglena is start to divide in the form of first step of a karyogenesis. So the chromatids are formed, nuclear body is formed. So next step what happened? That it is a longitudinal fission. So where the cytoplasm flagella is present in that area, we see the groove is formed. So here the groove will be start to form. So automatically the two flagellas also formed in this diagram. So in this euglena. After that the chromatin mitotic division is taking place, karyogenesis is taking place in a euglena. So what happened? So nuclear construction is taking place. So longitudinal furrow will be formed. So that will be divide the euglena in the form of a longitudinal method. So the longitudinal furrow will be formed in a euglena. So next what happened? The furrow will be enlarged and form a two daughter euglena in the same structure of the cytokinesis and karyogenesis over. The two identical daughter euglena is formed in a method of longitudinal fission. Then next we see the oblique method. So oblique method we see in a Serratium. So Serratia is a diflagellated animal. So it is present in a sea. In this diflagella, one flagella is smaller in size and another flagella is a bigger in size. All the diflagellated microorganisms we see in the oblique type of a binary fission. Next we see the multiple fission where we see in amoeba. Already we read binary fission, simple irregular binary fission see in amoeba. Then how the multiple fission is also taking place in the amoeba. So when the condition is not favor for asexual reproduction, young one production, that time also amoeba is start to reproduce. So how is happen? When the amoeba is in the form of a cyst, cyst wall. This cyst wall, so we see here 3-layered cyst wall seen in a amoeba. So inside the cyst wall, nucleus and cytoplasm also presented. So in this condition, uncountable condition, in a terrible condition also, the amoeba will be start to divide. So here the first karyogenesis is taking place. So how the karyogenesis is taking place? Inside the cyst, the nucleus start to divide, producing a more number of a daughter nuclei. In this daughter nuclei, then what happened? Next step, the cytoplasm also divided and form a more number of pseudopodia spores. Then pseudo means a false in nature. So automatically pseudopodia spores are formed inside the cytoplasm wall. After the cytoplasm wall will be ruptured cytoplasm wall. So it bursts and eliminate more number of spores, and this each and every spores are formed a new young ones of a amoeba. So in this new young one, multi number of a new young one amoeba also seem like a parental amoeba. So only asexual reproduction. So they are producing a identical young one. That means they are seem like a parental nature inheritance. So in this chapter we see modes of reproduction. In these modes of reproduction, asexual. So in this asexual reproduction, first we see the fission. Fission means simply the parental will be divided and producing a young ones. So in this fission, we see the binary fission. Binary fission, that are 5 types of binary fission. Simple binary. Here we stopped the chapter. After